This is taking mashed potatoes to a whole new level. Let me show you how we make cheesy mashed potatoes. Begin by peeling and dicing 3 pounds of potatoes. Place them in a pot and add 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, then cover them with water. Bring these to a boil and allow them to cook on medium heat until they are fork tender. Drain the water from the potatoes and place them in a large mixing bowl. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 stick of butter. Now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese that I'll break up into pieces. I'll use a potato masher to mash the ingredients together. Now I'm adding 1 cup of evaporated milk. You can use half and half, you can use regular milk, whatever you'd like, but I like evaporated milk. It makes a creamier mashed potato. I'm leaving a few lumps in mine just because that's the way I like it, but you want to mix this together until it's a creamy consistency. It should look something like this. This casserole dish is shorter than the average, but it has really deep sides. Spray the bottom with a non-stick spray, then add half of the potato mixture. I will top this with shredded sharp cheddar cheese. I'm adding about 4 ounces of cheese on the top of the first layer. Then I'll add the remainder of the mashed potato mixture and top it off with additional sharp cheddar cheese. Top this with dried parsley and bake in an oven that has been preheated at 350 degrees until it's bubbly and the cheese has melted and slightly browned on top. These are cheesy, they're creamy, and they are a family favorite.